Hi, as usual I will use these settings for composition. Create a new solid layer. Looking for the element 3D effect. Press the Scene Setup button. Import your model into Element 3D. Press the Normalize Size button. To increase the performance when working with the 3D model, click on Optimize Mesh. Choose a texture for the 3D model. Enlarge the texture and create a pre-compose. Add the hue saturation effect. Animate the master hue. Expand the option Custom Layers, then Custom Texture Maps, and select our composition with texture. Click on the material, and in the Diffuse option, select our texture. Do the same for the environment parameter. For the refraction parameter, increase intensity to 62% and distortion to 1.19. Turn on the Use Diffuse Color function, set intensity to 79%, Fresnel to 0.25. Create a null object for our model. Animate the rotation for our model. Add any glow effect. Done, just waiting for the end of rendering. Thanks for watching. I made this version the same way as before, just change the glow settings and change the texture.